Hi everyone, let me discuss about native connectors. Here we have Snowflake provides native connectors for various programming languages and tools, enabling seamless integration for data ingestion, transformation and visualization. Here we have some common connectors that are included: Python connector, Spark connector, Kafka connector, Tableau and Power BI connectors. Here the benefits of native connectors. It is easy to use and performance is high and security, reliability. Use cases: data warehousing, real-time analytics, ETL and ELT pipelines and machine learning. Do follow for more updates on Data Engineers Academy.